fuck was that?
Sorry.
You just fucking sneezed on me.
Sorry. Oh my god, babe, sorry. I forgot to cover my mouth.
Here, you nasty.
Sorry.
It's okay. Achoo! Oh, babe, I'm so sorry.
Why?
I'm so sorry.
Why did you do that?
I'm sorry, I didn't mean to.
That is so gross.
I'm sorry, I didn't mean to.
Cover your mouth, babe.
Okay, I will. I'm sorry.
Did you take your allergy medicine?
Baby.
Did you?
Look at it because it hurts. It's
Where?
down further, underneath like where my bra is.
Oh my gosh, are you fucking kidding? Daisy, you just spit all over me. That's so gross.
It was a squirt bottle.
Man, you freaking spit on me. That shit is bullshit right there.
I'm sorry.
I literally felt your snot hit my arm. You gotta stop that bullshit right there. Your snot moisture lit on my fucking arm. That is bullshit.
Achoo!
Oh, what do you do? Scan it. Oh my god, you cracked my iPad. Oh my god. I can't come and get you.
I want to finish this puzzle.
Situation, a moderate and
God
situation.
damn it, Payan! God bless it, that is disgusting!
Sorry, I didn't.
Get the hell out of here with that shit! God, that is so freaking nasty! It's all over my food!
Will take a foothold in this country.
Why are you laughing?
بيت المقدس. بيت بيت المقدس. بيت المقدس.
ያምሻል እንዳንቺ ጠቅላላ ሻወር ላይ ተረክቷለች። ወደ ዛፍኪን ይዘሻተል
አመለጣት። አረን እየበላሁ እኮ ነው።
ጠቅላላ ወተቷን ላይ ትረጫለች። ምን አይነት ሴት ናት እባክሽ?
Oh my god, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Please, I'm so sorry.
Guys, I gotta take my clothes now because
What?
Sorry.
Why didn't you cover your mouth?
Sorry. Oh, babe.
Why didn't you cover your mouth? That's disgusting.
Oh, something weird just happened and I wanted to talk to you about it.
What the fuck? You just sneezed on me.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you fucking did.
I'm so sorry.
You fucking idiot. The fuck?
Oh, no, I didn't. Did I win again?
There's no way.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
Get the fuck out of here.
Hold on, there's a little on your ear. Sorry.
You really sneezed on me.
I'm sorry.
You really alcohol shit.
She's been sneezing all over me now.
You sanitizer, Jay.
Sanitize his head.
Go wash your hands.
Fucking idiot.
She said I was
Oh, how wasted.
Derek Jeter, but whatever.
The fuck? God damn! Fucking A, dude, that went all over me. Yeah, it did. Oh my god. Napasa ka na me. Look. It went over me.
I'm gonna do a sneeze prank on my girl with slime. Let's go. Ew!